gassy, my stomach been hurting. Chickens been jerking. These niggas is earthlings, toddlers are twerking. Business is booming. People is dying, Corona, 5G. That's probably both. My nigga died. I make the bitch that I'm with fuck a ghost. We not gon' help with the digging. I hope that my dog get her pregnant. None of that rhyme, but it came out fine. Like the paint didn't smudge and the baby didn't die. They buying Pampers with money they owe. Kidnap the baby, won't change it no more. Your head in the clouds, my head in them hills, my head in the books. I never ran for the hills. I'm eating rappers. Got that boy beard in my beard. I feel like I'm harder now. That nigga in Houston, yeah, the one with the beard and shit. This why I'm weird and lit. Really more weird than lit. Fuck it, I'm weird as it. Ooh, everything nice. Chain watch shit all bright. Just took a on, hit a dike. She hit me other day and I'm like,
welcome back to the channel. So, pretty much what I'm doing. It's a 200,000 mile maintenance. So, I'm doing an oil change apparently. And then I gotta do the diff, front diff, rear diff, and I gotta do the fuel filter, which is a hobby shop. I didn't want to do some of my driveway on the ground on my back.
Hey yo!
So what I'm gonna end up doing is I open this valve forever inside up top. I gotta grease all the forks. So where they at?
Tell me, have you seen her?
Anyway, there's ports usually on a your yoke. For the front shafts. Using grease those and get them out of the way. Yeah. Trying to get back to it. So here we go. Back at it. Yeah, you see it. You see it. What I say? You see it.
Bring that camera down here. Yeah, you see it. You see it. You see it. Yeah.
Okay. That's the rear. So let's go ahead and bust this thing open real quick for y'all.
Giggity, 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 let's have sex.
Show y'all what it do. Give me one moment. Well, I kind of like that about PPE. It's like you bought this, but check the rest of this stuff out. This is the rear differential cover. So everything that comes. That's the main hardware. That magnet strong, boy. So we got our tuck the drain. That's a feel. That's a, I don't know. So we got some bonds. Okay, so temp up top. It's temp up top. That's weird, man. Drain at the bottom right there. So there's a drain plug in. Make sure you fill it at this level. So you fill it so it comes out. Yeah. Got your temp up top. Kind of weird. Some fluid temp. I don't know. Anywho, this is for the. So hopefully we'll be doing this weekend. As of right now, today is Wednesday. Yep. So we got all this in. Looks amazing, just like the transmission pan. Yeah, that's pretty much how it works. It's the fill tube. On the inside, the drain right there. So yeah, you fill it there. Keep going until it fills and starts running out. You know what I mean?
Oh, that's nasty.
And then your sensors and stuff go over there. So let me put up this guide real quick. Make sure we got everything this time. Nice that I see some literature again. So we got the diff cover, got the washers. Come on. We got the drain bolts, fill plug, which is D. Yep, so it fills in there. The oil plug and F, drain plug. Drain plug is right there. E is the oil. The oil go at the top. A little literature. Pulling everything off. Made up to round. Yeah. Oops. Yeah. Let's hold your horses on this one and see what else comes. This weekend we'll be doing this. So, yeah. The maintenance is doing about that time. But hold that thought. Up everybody, so we're back at the hobby shop. So I got a rear diff cover. I got it. The front didn't come in yet. Still waiting for that from PPE. So remember last get the trans. This is like a whole nother week. It kind of makes me mad because I'm supposed to do everything at once. I'd rather do everything at once, but anyway, goes to the front. Waiting for this still. We got the rear. The rear is right there. And I'm going with the Lucas. I heard Lucas pretty good. From a lot of the guys. So with me, I'm running at 85, 140. A lot of guys on the forum say you don't want to start anything with a 70 with your towing a lot, which I told you know how we get down. So we tow a lot. So with that being said, I'm gonna turn the GoPro on. Yeah. Start taking this off. Start draining it. Start draining plug on it. So we get messy. So here we go. So you want to do these, loosen the bottom ones first, and loosen the top. So right now it's draining. It looks decent, like it was done. So I don't know. Could be. But anyway, loosen the bottom when you do it, so it makes it easier. And this, we'll take the bottoms off, loosen the top ones, then let it drain. There's some drain plug. So yeah, continue on. Roll it to 1%. So I don't really know what happened. I had it charged last night, so I gotta look into that when I get back home. So alright, continue on. So there it is with the cover off. Good in there. So let me read the directions. Make sure. So I know some people said they had to reuse their gas, but I'm not sure if it's the camera transmission gasket or this gasket. So I'm going to read my directions and go from there. So this is a reusable gasket that's on here. So let me see. So we're running into an issue. The diff cover is not mating because it's hitting the gear. So I need to let PPE know that this issue is happening. I got the right X. I mean, it's all stock, so it should be lining up, and it's an AAM. So it's what it's for. It's stamped right there. So yeah. So I guess I'm gonna put this stock one back on, clean it up real good, put it back on, and put the fluid in. Return this on up. Something needs to be done because it's straight bull. Straight bull. definitely it's messed up my whole plan. So where it's hitting at. It's hitting on this side. And I can move it over, put it in the center, but then the holes aren't lining up like they're supposed to. I tried to. I was like, maybe I'm doing something wrong, or maybe something's off, but nah. It's the pan. The pins are getting in the way, so yeah. I'm about to waste money on freaking differential fluid because stuff ain't lining up. Oh, it's a fun time, right? No, not really. But anyway, gotta throw this back up. I'm gonna clean it, clean the stock pan out, throw it back up, and put the Lucas in. So here we go. Here you go. So that way, so you can see where the line of the gear goes here, and then here. So I need to move a little bit more that way. Main thing is the fans are keeping it off. So that being said, I'm let's throw this stock one back on and go from there with it. Try to get in touch with the company and figure out if I can either A, get reimbursed, because I don't know if I do it again. I mean, it's not hard. Once it's on, and why would I waste money on getting more fluid, get more differential fluid? Unless they're gonna pay for it, I mean, I'm okay with that too. But at the same time, like, kind of sucks. Cause that's where I really wanted was PPE everything. So there it is. It's grained out, should be good. Throw this on and call it a day. Man, look, not all homies wear capes, but well, not all heroes wear capes, but your homies can be your heroes. Man, Daniel always comes in clutch, man. Every time I need this dude, he's always there for me. Big thanks, Dirty Dan. We did the valve lash adjustments on Reaper, so everything went good. With that, it's a lot quieter. It's not as obnoxious anymore. So did that. The diff cover, I need to get in touch with PPE to figure out what happened or what's going on. Other than that, everything is good. So that's gonna conclude this. This video kind of dragged on for weeks, but with me I really want to do with PPE. I like PPE stuff because I did it on the Duramax, but I'm to the point now, like, I'm thinking about just going with a different company at this point because it's kind of annoying. So I'm debating if I want to return everything, because with the transmission pan, I didn't get the block like I was supposed to have gotten with it, that they said it'd be in there. It wasn't in there. And then here it is with the differential, so I feel like it's a sign telling me not to deal with them. So who knows? I'm gonna talk to them on Monday and figure out what happened and what's going on, because I triple checked and made sure that I had everything in line perfectly, but I don't know, something's not right. So that's what we're going to do. But anyway, we're gonna conclude this video. Till next time, keep it Mac and peace.